can be going on talking about energy, energy, energy and energy. I have fallen in love with one simple concept of energy. I am one of the persons, for example, when I conducted a program on stress management to the commissioners of income tax in Bangalore, commissioners of income tax. One elderly gentleman sitting at my right, when I talked about the energy, of course I did not give it before that. The moment I say energy, immediately make a comment. You don't seem to have any energy and you are talking about energy itself. It is not the physical frame of the body that gives you more energy or less energy. I don't think that people who are very hefty, tall, well built, having more energy, and a fellow like me, small, lean, thin, dark, will not have any energy. As I told you, it is the type of the thoughts that you have at any particular point of time gives you more energy or less energy. That's all what I wanted to tell you, friends. Now, this program has 4 parts. This is a preview seminar. You know what's a preview? It is similar to that of a trailer for a movie. Now, it has 4 parts. First is introduction. Now, you came to this part with one idea. What is that idea? You wanted to know 2 things. One is, what is the program all about? Become a trainer is the caption given. That means little bit of things the people who are coming here are interested to become trainers in the field of soft skills. That idea. Then, but you want to go into the detail. What are the areas covered? How it is going to be covered? The process of training, the techniques adopted in the training. All those things you will be interested first. Second and the most important thing, you know, who is the fellow conducting the program? Who is that Dr. G. Francis Xavier? I am not right. You have not heard about me. Fortunately or unfortunately. Therefore, you would also be interested to know the person conducting the program. This is introduction. Then, introduction of the faculty. Second one, presentation of the program. These are the 2 things you are mostly interested. Then, in order to find out the effectiveness of the program, third aspect is demonstration. Fourth is interaction or we conclude. As I told you, all these days we were able to conclude the program before 8:56. We stopped exactly on time, but normally we also end before that time. Normally so far it has not crossed. Yesterday also there was a little problem with the LCD projector that gave us a little problem. In spite of the fact we were able to conclude the program within that time. Why I am just telling the concluding time also, because your mind must be prepared up to that. Otherwise, I will be going on talking. You will be wondering what this fellow seems to be a notorious speaker. I do not know when he will conclude the whole thing like that. You should not think about it. Therefore, we will start with the introduction of the person. I will put it in a brief way. For example, the brochure is given to you already. But what is mentioned about the faculty is all the positive sides, if at all you have gone through. But the roots from which it comes, we have not seen the root of that tree, but we see only the upper portion and the fruits that it gives. I am not trying. We don't know how deep it has gone. That is what I am going to do. I can take you to the year 1947. Something happened in my life. I was 12-year-old in that year. I vividly remember the celebration, Independence Day celebration. They gave us laddu. Even today I remember the taste of the laddu because it's a very, very special occasion. In that year, I wrote entrance test to get admission into 7th standard. One of the subjects was mathematics, in which I got perfect 0. That is my starting point. Can I write this one in my brochure? That is what I wanted to inform you. Perfect 0. Who will give admission to a fellow who got perfect 0? Admission was